So this is a prototype for an app for general contractors to do orders, initial orders and change orders. So I'm just going to demo it here. I'm on the customer page right now, so I can do add a new customer and just type in a customer name here. And you can just click start new project. So you can call this new house, John's new house. And if the the address of the project is the same as the customer address, you can just select this. Otherwise, you can just put a different address in here. The address of the project doesn't have to be the same as the address for the customer. Here you can put in a description, and then when you can do save project and then start a new estimate. You can put some estimate details in here, and then you have tasks and materials. So you can have a task like demolish old house. And the hours, you have the hourly rate here, and you can add materials to a task, or you can add materials to the entire order. So let's say demolish old house, we can add a material wrecking ball. And materials can have a quantity and then price per unit. I don't know how much a wrecking ball costs, let's say $81, and then here you can put piece, the unit type, and you can add new materials here. Let's just leave it as is, and add another task here. Let's see, pour foundation. Say 3 hours to pour foundation. And then here we can have concrete, let's say 6 bags, and it's at $10 a bag or something. Etc. And then you can add a material to the actual full order, something that's not associated with the task, like dumpster rental. So you need 1 dumpster at, say, $300 per week or something. So we can save an order and go to project here, and you have the preview of the order here. Now let's say I want to create a change order. I hit this add change order button here, and it's the same thing. We can add tasks, or you can click credit. So let's say you can say credit and just do a credit. So let's say we want to credit them, 2 hours of work, something went wrong or something, so we can do that. Same thing with the material. So extra bricks. I cannot spell bricks. And we can make sure it's a credit, and quantity, say 2 extra bricks, price per unit, like that. And you can also add tasks. So let's say we need to put in insulation, 4 hours, and like that. So you can go to save, or save and just go to the project, and we have the original order here, and we have the change order here with like minus for credits and plus for non-credit. And then you can go ahead and generate the customer document here. So on the document, we have, you know, the contractor information here, the customer information here, and then the information on the order, and then all of the initial order, and then you have the change order underneath here. And this one doesn't have the tax. And that's where the tax rate goes, right here.